The Indian Prime Minister Modi and his Australian counterpart Scott Morrison held the first ever India-Australia virtual bilateral summit today, which saw the signing of 7 agreements, including the Mutual Logistics Support Agreement, that will allow the militaries of the two countries to use each other's bases for repair and replenishment of supplies, while other agreements include the Framework Arrangement on Cyber and Cyber-enabled Critical Technology Cooperation, and Defence Science and Military Technology. India is also prepared to expand the Malabar trilateral naval exercise to include Australia, which currently involves US, India and Japan. A possible strategic initiative could involve the cooperative use of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Australia's Cocos Islands for strategic purposes, as they are well positioned to offer significant advantages for both countries. The senior executive vice president of French firm Naval Group has said that the hike in foreign direct investment will support Indian defense industry to increase its capabilities, and also invite global manufacturers to invest and create technical and manufacturing facilities in India. He also said that Naval Group has been shortlisted for the P-75I next generation submarine program, and will consult with 2 Indian strategic partners Larsen & Toubro and Mazagan Dockyard for the 50,000 crore rupees program. Naval Group has offered its 3,000-ton SMX-3.0 submarine to India, and it features 8 vertical launch systems, which can be used for launching drones, next-generation BrahMos anti-ship system as well as long-range cruise system. The No. 3 Base Repair Depot of the Indian Air Force, which is responsible for the maintenance and overhaul of Russian-origin helicopters, has now been tasked by the Indian Air Force to indigenize the Russian night vision goggles that are used by the pilots of the Mi-17 medium-lift helicopter. The project will be executed in collaboration with the Indian industry, for which the public and the private sector is being approached. The National Highway Authority of India is constructing a 3.5 km emergency landing strip in South J&K. The officials have said that the work is going at full pace, and as the area is centrally placed, it will be used in emergency situations. Prime Minister Modi has accepted the invitation of US President Donald Trump to attend the G7 summit in September 2020, and while India has accepted the invitation, Russia has strongly rejected the idea of isolating China. The Russian Foreign Ministry spokesperson has said that the idea of an expanded G7 summit is a step in the right direction, but it is hardly possible to implement serious global initiatives without China.